क्या आप
A very good afternoon, everyone. Hope I am audible to you.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay. So, very good afternoon to all the ladies and gentlemen present here. Hope you all are doing well and are safe in this pandemic. Well, I would like to introduce myself on the advisory panel of this website, The Paladins. I welcome all of you who are present here. This new website, The Paladins, is founded by our young aspirants, Mr. Yuvraj Seth, Mr. Vineet, and Mr. Sarthak. I congratulate all the three of them. In this era of digitalization, as we all, almost everyone, the researchers, students, the academicians, and the professionals are more or less dependent on the internet. There, these three aspirants have tried to incorporate a new website, the Paladins, which would like to help them more. Now, with this, I would like to introduce all the key speakers who are present here. First of all, Professor Rashmi Sarpekar, Dean, Vivekananda School of Law and Legal Studies, who is the guest of honor in our this program. She is not present right now. She is busy in another meeting. So meanwhile, we will start with the other key speakers. I would like to welcome Dr. Arun Gupta, Associate Professor, Ideal Institute of Management and Technology, Mrs. Geeta Bharti, Advocate, Delhi High Court, Ms. Avni Kaur Sethi, Assistant Professor, Vivekananda School of Law and Legal Studies, and Mr. Prateek Mohan Sinha, Advocate, Delhi High Court. And I would also like to welcome the founders of this website, also the other team members. Congratulations to all of you. Now I would like to invite Mr. Yuvraj Seth, the one of the founders to our workings. Thank you.
So much, Mr. Swati Bajaj said, for the brief and good introduction. I would like to welcome all the members and key speakers who have spared so much their valuable time for this inaugural session. It would give me an immense pleasure to inaugurate our website, The Paladins. I and other co-founders, other founders, Mr. Vineet and Mr. Sarthak, who have tried to incorporate the necessities of the students, researcher, academicians, and academicians. I hope you would like the same. Now I would like to introduce my website and like to say some few words about the website. Basically, the concept of our website is there are a lot of today in this world, in post-COVID world, I would like to better say that in post-COVID days, we have our necessity for over the screen has our necessity for the internet has grown very much time, and our screen time has also increased immensely after post COVID days. So keeping in view of these things, are also some other websites which are doing some commendable jobs, like the Live Law and the Bar and Bench, the latest law. There are so much data which is already available with all of us, but which I felt a necessity to make this website and try the idea, I and all the other founder, which the key central idea is the legal infographics, which we have. The legal infographics is the we will through this website we will try to compile all the judgments, try to compile, or and in a brief and succinct manner we would try to give our best through best efforts in a graph. We would through our best efforts we would try to concise in a present the legal information and legal knowledge on contemporary issues and the concepts of law in a concise manner, so that it would so that people who are looking upon the website would at a glance can have an idea of the subject which we would be sharing content on our website. So we need the wishes of all the key speakers and the and our team. So now I would like to invite Mr. Sai Vineet to to introduce our team. Vineet, please, can you do this?
Yeah, thank you. So hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Vineet. I'm currently pursuing my LLM from Vivekananda Institute of Professional Studies. So I will introduce you to our team. Firstly, we have Meghna Nimwekar. Meghna Nimwekar will graduate from MIT Law School, Delhi in 2020. Her learn to motivate in the immense knowledge and having in her name like many publications, and even her articles have been published in Live Law, iPleaders, etc. So she will be our editor of the website and author. Secondly, we have Samad Goel. Samad Goel is currently in his final year from MIT Law School, Noida. Having his interest and immense expertise in the criminal law. So, even amongst his peers, he is known for his authority over the subject. So he will be our consultant and the author of the website. Then thirdly, we have Ayushi Jolly. Because of some reasons, she couldn't join the meet. Ayushi Jolly is a psychologist, and she has graduated from Punjab University. And during her graduations and masters, she has cleared JRF and with 99.97% securing All India rank. She also served as an assistant professor of psychology, and she will be a keen consultant and the author of the website. Then we have Surbhi Chauhan. Surbhi Chauhan is our colleague, and she's also pursuing LLM from Vivekananda Institute of Professional Studies, and she will be our author of the website. And then we have Prachi Chauhan. Prachi Chauhan graduated from IP University, and currently she's studying for her civil services and having her experience in the publications and many research papers on her name. She will be our author of the website. And then we have Akansha Mehta ma'am. Akansha Mehta ma'am is a Supreme Court advocate and having experience of 2 years in bar. So she will be our guest author, and she will be mentoring us time to time. We welcome Akansha Mehta ma'am. And then we have Siddharth Chittal, who couldn't join us today. Siddharth Chittal is also a final year law student from MIT Law School, Noida. And his keen interest is in international law, and he is also alumni of Hague International Law, and he graduated from there in the year 2020. And so yeah, this is our whole team. And Sarthak Khanna couldn't join. He's also one of the founder. Because of some reasons, he couldn't join us. So yeah, over to you, Yuvraj.
Oh, so our respected Dean ma'am would be joining us for the inaugural session, but due to some other meetings scheduled, she told me that you would join in a while. So kindly, now I would like to invite Dr. Arun Gupta sir, Associate Professor IIMT, to say few words about our for few words of wisdom. Mr. Arun Gupta sir. We do also have made some
Yes,
sir. Sir, we do have also made an inaugural video. We would be playing it when the Dean ma'am would join us. So I would invite you to please say some words.
Okay, thank you, Yuvraj, for inviting me for this inaugural function. And my blessings are with you. It would have been better if I would have spoken after viewing that video, so that I can comment on that as well and give you some ideas for the same. But anyhow, I would congratulate Yuvraj, Vineet, Samarth, Meghna, Ayushi, Surbhi, Prachi, Akanksha Mehta, Advocate, Siddharth, and Sarthak. I believe I have not missed anyone. I must congratulate you all for this startup venture, and with a very great idea of this graphic representation or a imaging representation of the court judgments or the legal material available to us. However, there are so many websites available, but to some extent I also personally experience. I have not seen your video yet, but still I can imagine. I can imagine that it would be some good piece of work where we can understand the law.
Yes, sir. Sir, we can play it for you. Vineet, can you play it? We will
It's all
play
right.
it
It's all
again.
right.
We will
It's
play it
all
again
right.
when Green Lamp joins us.
Okay, okay.
Vineet, please play
Yeah,
the
yeah,
video.
yeah. One second. Video.
Thank you very much, Vineet, for playing this video for me. Indeed, a wonderful work done by you all. Very, very innovative idea you have conceived and put into your work. The tagline of your, if you have not made it, I can suggest you to make it a tagline: complexity to simplicity. This can be your tagline. And you see, whenever we read any judgment, very stereotype things we get in front of us, that head note is there, and in that head note, if we like something, then only we go for that. But your idea behind it, what I could conceive, is that you want to portray things in a pictorial way, where the people would be attracted. The people would be attracted, and the highlights of that particular judgment or that particular law or particular article, when whatever you want to put on your website, that would be attracting the people in a pictorial way. And you would be giving the highlights of that article or the judgment in boxes or in your own way, where you would be giving a brief about the judgment or about the relevant law. And if the people get attracted towards that, and they would be compelled to go through the complete article or the judgment. And what I could understand, this is the idea behind your this complexity to simplicity. And this is a very innovative idea. And I must say that in the world of digitalization today, and when people are attracted, people are forced to get the knowledge, to gather the knowledge from the digital modes only. It would be a very good thing. And I wish you all a very best and a great success of this website. And I am definitely going to subscribe it. Whatever the subscription you may fix for it. Thank you.
Sir, with this, I like to have and tell to Mr. Vineet to kindly make it live with your blessings only. So, Mr. Vineet, make it live now.
Yes.
Please. I would love to be the part of this inaugural.
Yes, sir. Please.
It is live now.
It's live now. So, would you kindly share the screen by just typing www.thepaladins.in.
1 second.
Good. Very good.
So this is like our home page, and
होम पेज पे पहली पिक्चर आपने मेरे इंटरेस्ट की लगाई है, सरफेस ही है.
yes, it is made by Yuvraj Seth. Yeah. So this is like about us page.
Congratulations to you all.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes, sir.
For going live.
Thank you so much, sir.
And I must say to the team that there is nothing called impossible. The meaning of impossible is I am possible. So make it your tagline and remember it always that I am possible. Thank you, sir. And Mr. Yuvraj, now you carry.
Now I would like to invite Mrs. Geeta Bharti, Advocate, Delhi High Court, to say some few words.
Hello. आवाज आ रही है?
वेलकम मैम। जी बिल्कुल आ रही है।
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
पहले तो मैं आप लोगों को, पूरी टीम को अपनी तरफ से धन्यवाद देती हूँ कि मुझे आप लोगों ने इस लायक समझा कि मैं बता सकूं कुछ आप लोगों को। और पहली बात, दूसरी बात ये है कि मैं अपनी तरफ से सभी नए बच्चों को, यंगस्टर्स बच्चों को अपनी तरफ से बहुत बहुत बधाई देती हूँ। और ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि कोई भी काम पॉसिबल नहीं है, कोई भी काम जो है क्या इम्पॉसिबल नहीं है। जो बच्चे ठान लेंगे वो करके दिखाएंगे। तो इसलिए मैं कहती हूँ कि पूरी टीम की मेरी तरफ से पूरी टीम को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद और एक बधाई हो। और जो भी नई चीजें आएंगी जैसे लॉ में पढ़ने के लिए, तो उसके लिए एक एक दूसरा सा टॉपिक मिलेगा बच्चों को, बच्चों की वजह से हम लोगों को पढ़ने का, कि कैसे लॉ को हम लोग ई फाइलिंग उसमें पढ़ सकते हैं, कंप्यूटराइज। ठीक है। और मैं बस इतना ही कहना चाहूंगी कि मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत बधाई हो।
थैंक यू मैम। थैंक यू सो मच मैम।
ओके,
युवराज।
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your kind words. Now, I would like to invite Miss Avneek Kaur Sethi, Assistant Professor, VS LLS, Vivekanand Law School, to say a few words.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Great. Good afternoon, everybody. Before beginning,
Good
I would
afternoon.
like to thank you, Swati ma'am. I would like to quote Justice Joseph Story, former judge, Supreme Court, USA. In 1929, he said that law is a jealous mistress and requires a constant and long courtship. It is not to be won by trifling favors, but by lavish homage. With this, I would like to state that law is dynamic. It keeps on evolving. To keep pace with the changes in law, continuous learning for the members of legal fraternity is a must. If we actually want to make an impact in this fast changing world, we must embrace the principle of continuous learning. And in recent times, especially post COVID-19, it has become imperative for all of us to devote time, energy, efforts in learning the technology. We are required to be technology enabled now. I would like to congratulate the entire team of Paladins for this wonderful initiative. While I was going through the idea behind this project, I found three things. Succinct law, the motto is to provide the legal knowledge in a very precise manner. It is need of hour, because with the passage of time, I have experienced that we all have we are not used to of reading, and especially as in the recent batches, they are not habitual of reading the things. They're not habitual of reading the judgments or probably the things in hard form, right? So at this point of time, this kind of initiative is required, and I hope and I wish that it will be appreciated by members of our legal fraternity. And thereafter, second catchy thing was simplicity yet effective. Simple yet effective. Yes, I really appreciate this motto. And thereafter, I would like to, at the end, I would like to wish the entire team all the very best. May you all get success.
Thank you, Ms. Avneek Kaur Sethi.
And thank you,
All the
Swati ma'am.
yes, welcome. Okay, now we need to
so
wait
much
for our.
for inviting me.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, now we need to wait for the guest of honor, Professor Rashmi Salpekar. We just need to contact her. Meanwhile, because we still have time, so I would like any of the team member of the Paladins to share their personal views as how they have become the member of this website. Any of the team member? Miss
Right, ma'am.
Meghna, Samarth, Ayushi, Surbhi, Prachi, Siddharth, Akansha. If any of the team member is present here, I would like to invite that person to come here and share your view.
Before that, I Swati ma'am, I have a
Yes,
suggestion.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Just a second, I have a suggestion. Hello.
Yes, Miss Abriko Sethi,
Yes, ma'am, please
are
say.
Am
audible
I
to you?
audible?
Yes, you are audible, ma'am. Ma'am, your suggestions are welcome. Please share them with us.
Yes, I would like to suggest one more thing. Yes, I would like to
I think there is some network problem. Miss Avnika Sethi. Okay, I think there is some network problem. So meanwhile, I again invite any of the team member. Meghna, are you present?
Yes, ma'am, right here.
Hello, Meghna.
Ma'am is there. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Meghna, would
Am
you
I
like
audible
to
to you?
share
Yes,
your
ma'am.
views? Yes,
Am I audible?
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
you're audible, Meghna.
Yes, ma'am. So thank you very much, ma'am, for allowing me to speak here at this platform. At the very onset, I would like to thank you because the moment I read your name over there as the advisory board member, I couldn't hold myself back but to join. Apart from the fact that Vineet is a very close friend of mine. And the reason why I say this is because you've taught me, right, for at least I think one semester, if I'm not wrong. So I remember you teaching us in a very concise manner. So despite the law being lengthy, despite tax law being very boring and uninteresting, Swati ma'am was always there to make it interesting for us and provide us in a concise manner the required knowledge of law. So I think
Thank you
that
so
is
much,
very
Meghna.
important. And having caught that from ma'am's teachings and lectures, I think most of us benefited also. So keeping the same trail, active through this website also, we're going to benefit a lot. And not only all of us, but in fact the young generation of lawyers who are, as ma'am said, who are not in the habit of studying or reading for that matter, because they try to find shortcuts, because it's always easier for them to read 2 lines rather than going for like 2 long pages. So here I think the Paladins is going to help them out. However, I'm afraid that we're going to make them too lazy, because again they're going to miss out on reading the important stuff. But be that as
Definitely.
continue our efforts, and thank you very much, ma'am, sir, and everybody else.
I wish you much luck, Meghna.
Thank you, ma'am.
So
Thank you.
after Meghna, is Samarth present here? Ayushi? Surbhi? Is Surbhi present? Okay, so I think Ms. Savni Kaur Sethi has successfully joined back us.
Yes,
Ma'am,
I have
are we
the.
audible to you?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay, ma'am.
Technology
So can
has
you
its
please?
own challenges. Yes.
Definitely,
So I
ma'am.
would.
It has its pros and cons both.
Right, right. Yes.
Ma'am, please share your suggestions with us.
Um, I suggest the entire team to work on arbitration also. While I was going through the themes, it has not been included. Uh, However, this is my submission that ADR has become an imperative part of our legal fraternity, not only in India but worldwide. So I
Definitely,
think that
ma'am.
I suggest the team to work on arbitration. If not on mediation, not on conciliation, then at least they should take up uh, probably domestic arbitration or international arbitration. Any one sphere to begin with, any one sphere will do, but it should be taken up. That's
Yes,
my
ma'am.
suggestion.
We would be taking all the topics of law and also the arbitration law
No,
with the best of
Yuvraj,
the.
I have another submission to make here, that
Yes,
I have
ma'am.
a different. I don't agree that, you know, that I don't want that the people should work should generalize the concept of law. Rather, it is more important to okay, fine. If you have chosen few fields, fine, that's perfect. You should be expert in that, right? But at the same point of time, I think that arbitration should be taken up. All the fields, okay, fine. If you don't wish to take all the fields, let it be. You have mentioned matrimonial law, you take up mediation.
Yes, ma'am. We have never you never restricted the topic. It's actually that there are many fields of law, so it was not possible to mention all these things.
Agreed. Even I am not in favor of mentioning all the fields.
Hmm.
Even I am not in favor of mentioning all the fields. I just want to say that, see, you have specified that these are criminal matters, if I am not wrong, debt recovery matters, right, and matrimonial matters. You have specified these three things. So my suggestion is, along with these three spheres, you should take up arbitration also. So that's it.
Okay, ma'am. We will take into look about it, and we would our basic issue concept is that we will take up contemporary issues what are prevailing in this
There
which
is
are need of the
there is
time.
need of the time is I mean, see, I am pro alternative dispute resolution person. So, need of the hour is online mediations, online arbitrations which are going on, the impact of COVID on that. So it's my suggestion that you can take up rest.
Ma'am, if I may just
Okay, ma'am.
add
Sure,
something
ma'am.
here.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Yuvraj,
Yes,
may I
please.
just add something? Right.
Yes, please. Who
Yes,
is on the
ma'am.
phone?
Like just now,
Make now.
right. So,
Right. Yes.
thank you very much, ma'am, for mentioning arbitration and the need for the hour. And in fact, keeping that very thing in mind, I am definitely working on an article for the website itself, which talks about arbitration and artificial intelligence, which is very much, a buffer word these days. So, artificial intelligence, you may think that it is very difficult, you can't comprehend it or something, but I believe that it is as simple as ordering your food on Zomato, for that matter. So having said that, I put it before all of you all that we will definitely be working on arbitration and AI and other matters as and when the team decides to expand it.
Great. And for that, you can take help from, not from a particular university syllabus, but from, you can take help from a number of universities' curriculum. To begin with, you can start with domestic arbitration, wherein you can discuss the appointment of arbitrators, wherein you can discuss the importance of the term, place, seat, venue. So, instead of just, so this is my suggestion. Rest is the team's
Yes,
decision.
Mr. Nikosity, we agree with your suggestions, and I am sure that all the team members will include each and every contemporary issue related to any topic of law, whether it is arbitration law or any other law. I am sure they will include it. So
Right.
it's just they just need to work hard for the website,
They will. I'm sure the idea is wonderful.
and they will definitely do this.
I have just received a
suggestions? Yes.
message. I have just received a message from Dean ma'am that she would be connecting in a while.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. So we can go ahead with the discussion.
Definitely. I would also like to invite here Mr. Dr. Arun Gupta, sir. Sir, am I audible to you?
Yes, very well, Swati.
Yes. Hello, sir.
Sir, your
Would you
suggestions.
like to share more suggestions with us?
Sure. You see, what I could understand that you are not confining yourself only to few articles. You want this website to be browsed by each and every legal luminary, whosoever is attached to law field. So this is not it should not be like a general, like a, you can say a newspaper type of thing. I think
Definitely,
you
sir.
need to give a deep insight of law. The cover page should compel the people to go inside your website.
Agree, sir.
So
Agree.
whatever topic you are choosing, yes, it will take time. It is not a day's job. कि आप आज ही सोचेंगे and tomorrow it would be implemented. No, it is not going to happen. But the thing is that you should be able to conceptualize the thing and put into execution. So every field of law is an important field, whether it may be a civil law, it may be a criminal law, it may be a property law, it may be banking law, it may be arbitration, it may be any law.
Yes, sir.
So you see, arbitration, Avnika has very rightly said that arbitration law or alternative dispute resolution mechanisms are the need of the hour. And those must be taken up at a broader platform. And as far as AI is concerned, yes, the people are thinking on AI. They are trying to connect, but what we have learned over a period and experienced over a period of our practice in courts, I don't know how many of you are aware that I have a standing of about 25 years in the court. This year I am celebrating my silver jubilee anniversary in law.
Congratulations, sir.
After completion, I got registered with bar in 1995.
Congratulations,
So this
sir.
is our silver jubilee anniversary. Thank you very much. So what we have experienced that each and every case has its own facts. The application of law cannot be dependent upon the intelligence of a computer. You see, each and every case, the facts of each and every case are to be dealt. And it is not like the developed country like in America or Japan is doing AI in the legal field. It is to some extent difficult and different in Indian demography. See, here we have different laws, different applications, different religions, and everything cannot be let dependent upon the computers only.
Definitely,
So
sir.
we have to look into that aspect as well when we are connecting the things with the AI. So these are my views on that. So you
Thank
can
you,
take
sir.
care on that and will definitely succeed in.
I would
Thank
like to add to this that if we are talking about artificial intelligence, then we need to understand that this artificial concept of artificial intelligence has still not developed, especially in India. And if it will get developed, then it would have it linkage not only with one, like you can say the criminal law, it would have it linkage with criminal, corporate, and each and every law. So
everywhere, and
definitely, if
everyone would be
I'm
able to find the ways of it.
100%. So definitely, if I'm going to write over artificial intelligence, I cannot skip any law. Either it's a competition law or it's a IPC, Indian Penal Code, or any other law. For example, arbitration law. So every topic has its linkage with many more laws.
And in our country, you see that we have procedural laws, and which
Yes, sir.
gives us all the procedure to be followed in the court of law. CPC is there, CRPC is there.
Right.
In our tribunals, we have the different mechanisms and different laws. You go to DRT, you go to CAT, you go to any other school tribunal or any IT, wherever you go, they have got their own procedure. And you have to
Yes, sir.
follow that. And it is very difficult to connect each and everything that it would be going a mechanical way. No, it is not
Right.
that much easy. It is not that
And I would
much
like
easy.
to add, right. I would like to add that the beauty of law is interlinkage. The
Yes.
beauty of the concept of law is interlinkage. We need to appreciate the interlinkage, and at the same point of time, we need to restrict also.
Yes,
And
very
another
true,
beauty
very
of
true.
law is that apart from linking one law to another, you can interlink laws with other social studies also.
Absolutely,
You can link
absolutely.
it with society.
Psychology, right? No, law and social, law and society, they both go hand in hand. So the sociology, psychology, criminal behavior,
Yes.
it goes hand in hand.
Yes.
Why domestic violence? Why rape victims are? The cases of sexual offences and many other things are increasing. So it all generates from it all subs from the psychology. So it has law cannot be studied in isolation. Yes, sir.
Avnik, you must remember one thing I used to say always.
Right,
That
right, sir.
law it cannot be if the law is not approved, come to the approval of the society, it cannot be a law.
Right.
Law is made for the society, and what
Right,
is not
right.
acceptable to the society, it is not a
Right.
good law.
Yes, yes. I still remember our discussions, sir. I cannot forget.
So you see the emotional aspects of our
Right.
country. This
Right,
cannot be
right.
put. Everything cannot be handled in the straight jacket formula. So
Right,
we need
absolutely.
to deal it in yes. So
Right, right.
I think the kids are going in the right direction, and
Absolutely, they are.
they have got a very good concept in their mind, and they are, at least they are thinking it in the AI way also. And
yes,
the future is in AI, no doubt. The future is in AI. So we have to
So
accommodate ourselves in that also.
Meghna has given us a very interesting topic to discuss upon artificial intelligence. Okay, and I must say that this is a very evolving idea of opening a website which will discuss not only the laws, not only the concepts related to laws, but in a very new manner. I think it would be an information at glance. So again, I would like to say that if there is any other team member present here, Meghna, Samarth, Ayushi, Surbhi, Prachi, Siddharth, and Akansha, so we would like them to share their views with us.
Let Vikram speak something.
Yes, sure, sir.
When Swati is there, then Vikram, sir, when Swati is there, then Vikram is not allowed to speak.
No, it's
घर की
not
बातें
like
घर
that.
तक रहने दो. At least on the platform he should speak.
Yes,
घर की बातें घर तक रहने दो. हम भी प्लेटफॉर्म पर आकर ही बोल पाते हैं.
घर घर की कहानी है सर.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you giving me an opportunity to speak in front of Swati.
Yes. Actually, I was managing the all this. So this is basically the idea developed by the Mr. Yuvraj Seth and his team, all his team, and because they are youngster to me, and so it is my responsibility and duty to guide them. Yes, I bless them, and I will say congratulations to the team, to Yuvraj Seth, to everybody associated with the team. My best of luck, and have all the best in the life, and always work. That's why I'm giving them the word that impossible is not impossible. The meaning of impossible is I am possible. So that every time they will have to stand in a way so that they can do anything they want. So that I want to submit to them. And furthermore, Mr. Yuvraj, what is the status now? Ma'am is joining because everybody is giving so their precious time to us.
But Vikram, I will seek your leave now.
Oh, sir.
If you permit me. Actually, since morning I was in another session. I don't know whether you are aware about that. Avnik must be aware. We are conducting a 2 weeks training program on IPR.
Right.
I was in that. Today was the second day, and I was busy in that, and because being the host and the convener of that program, and immediately after that I joined here, and at 3 I have another meeting. So I just want to seek permission to have my lunch. If you permit me.
Sir, please. No, sir, please.
No, definitely, sir, please.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Your priority.
And
Thank you so much
my best wishes with you. And whenever you need any guidance or any cooperation, can be
always, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving your precious time,
enlightening us with your valuable knowledge.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Ma'am, you, Mr. Vineet.
Yes, sir.
May I request Madam Geeta, Miss Geeta Bharti, ma'am, advocate. मैम कुछ भी वैल्यूबल अगर आप 2 मिनट इनसे और शेयर कर पाएं ताकि इनको फ्यूचर में और आगे थोड़ा सा एनलाइटनमेंट इस सिस्टम में और रहे.
मेरी आवाज सुनाई दे रही है?
जी बिल्कुल आ रही है.
ऐसा है, मेरे कहने से मतलब ये था कि बच्चों का जो भी इन लोगों ने अपना एफर्ट्स लगाए हैं इसमें,
जी जी
और
जी
जितना हमारा टाइम लगता है पूरी जजमेंट पढ़ने के लिए, अब इसको थोड़ा
जी
सा खोलेंगे और उसमें चीजें निकल आएंगी,
जी
तो
जी जी
काफी टाइम हम लोगों का बच जाएगा.
मेंबर है
और दूसरी बात ये कि बच्चे जो हैं अपनी एक्टिविटीज से ही क्या कहते हैं आगे
काम
प्रोग्रेस
करते
कर
हैं, प्रोग्रेस
और
करते हैं.
ये है ना सारे.
प्रोग्रेसिव वे में रहेंगे और
जी
इससे इनका फ्यूचर ब्राइट होगा. तो
जी
मैं यही चाहती हूँ कि इनका मतलब आगे निकले बच्चे.
ब्राइट रहे. जी
इसलिए
जी
मेरी ब्लेसिंग जो है इन बच्चों के साथ है. और
थैंक यू मैम.
मेरा कहना चाहूंगी कि ये दिन दुगनी और रात चौगनी उन्नति करते रहें.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Coming.
गॉड ब्लेस देम.
Thank you ma'am for giving your valuable time and precious time to us.
Akansha Mehta ma'am wanted to speak something, but because of the internet issue, she
Yes.
couldn't speak.
Oh,
Akansha
please,
ma'am?
please.
I've received a message. Rashmi ma'am is joining us within few minutes now.
Within few minutes. Okay. Now, Mr. Vineet, continue.
Yeah, Akansha ma'am, can you can continue?
Akansha ji,
Hello.
please continue.
Hi, am
Yes,
I
you are
audible?
audible. Yeah, you are audible.
Hi, everybody. I would like to first congratulate every team member for success this website. Further, I would like to appreciate the whole vision behind the website, and especially in my experience, what I've realized is a lot of newcomers, in fact, a lot of experienced advocates, they somehow end up missing what is the bone of contention in a particular judgment. And I think with this initiative, that is something that we can put forth before we can take out the bone of contention in every judgment and share with the other advocates. And I believe it's a brilliant venture that we all have collaborated for. And I wish luck to each and every one of you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Samad Goel,
Thank you.
wanted to say.
Another thing to add to that, ma'am. So it's not only about people understanding, lawyers understanding judgments. So what you said was really appropriate. I mean, a lot of people have seen people miss out on pretty obvious points in a judgment. It's primarily because they quickly flip through it and they're not able to catch the main points on which the judgment is based. Another thing is that initially when Vineet and Sarthak, they're my good friends, and they came to me, we want you to write. I was kind of taken aback that why should I write for you when the same thing that which you are proposing to me. I mean, if I have to write, I could write for other websites which have a larger outreach. I asked Vineet one simple thing. What is the motive of writing for you? What is so unique? What is so special? And he told me simply that by summarizing, as Mr. Arun Gupta sir said earlier, simplicity and complexity. By making everything simple, you are not only summarizing things for professionals or law students, but even people, if there's a young entrepreneur, he wants to find out about corporate compliances, suppose. And if we have done a piece on that, this is in fact the exact thing that he told me. If we have done a piece on that, a young entrepreneur can come on our website and check it out for himself. He doesn't need to go to a lawyer and pay a 20,000 an hour consultation. He doesn't need a big shot corporate lawyer to say some obvious things to him, which he can just read up a small infographic and get to know. That is one idea that really struck me and that really motivated me to come over. And it's a really good initiative, and I really enjoy how these guys have come up with this and how they are dedicated towards this. I really hope that this works out.
Yes, you are right. The dedications have no other alternative. Dedication is always give something which you want and you desire in your life. Yes, Mr. Yuvraj.
Okay, Dean ma'am
I
is
would
online.
like to
now.
mention.
Dean ma'am is online.
Dean ma'am
Yes,
is online.
please. Yeah, please. Welcome her.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
A very
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, all.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I
I'm
I would
extremely
like
sorry
to.
I got late.
It's okay, ma'am. Thank you for sparing your precious time for this inaugural session. We were having Dr. Arun Gupta with us. He left for our work a few minutes ago. So yes, ma'am. So Vineet, can you just start the inaugural website, inaugural video right
Yes,
now?
yes.
For,
Wow.
I think now the website has been launched. So congratulate to the founders and the whole team members.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now, because we have with us the respected Dean of Vivekananda School of Law and Legal Studies, Professor Rashmi Sarpika, I would like to invite ma'am and I would request her to say few words of encouragement to the founders and the team members. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. First of all, thank you so much. And I'm really very happy for my students. Something different they have, they have come out with something different. We always receive, wish list from the students that we would like to have internship at so and so place. We would like to have good marks, and why so less marks, etc., etc. But then yesterday I was consistently busy in various meetings and etc. So I was not able to pick up the call. And when Yuvraj, he WhatsApped me, I thought, oh my God, in all those tense moments, I should have picked up his call so that, I would have felt very good. So good that at least he has WhatsApped me. Even today morning also, he tried me a lot. But I was so busy that I couldn't pick up his call. However, I was, answering on all WhatsApp. Because even though I scold my students that don't use mobile when you are in the class, but still when I'm in a meeting, I always use WhatsApp. So extremely happy for all the founders who have come out with this particular idea. And this idea is very relevant in this contemporary era. The judgments, it's not like that we are not having good judgments. We are having extremely good judgments. But however, there are very less people, they are having time to appreciate those judgments. It's not like only like after Keshwananda or after Maneka, there are no judgments. Like if you will see the Indra Sawhney's case also, you will find that 100 pages or so. So it is a habit of students, law students as also faculty members as such, that whenever we take anything to read, we just see that, what is the length of that particular judgment. And it is that this particular equation we apply even for novels also. That generally we start, reading from the last end. In fact, in newspaper also, we just read the headlines of the front page and then we just move ahead. So I have seen that the habit of a reader to read lengthy literature is reducing day by day, and thereby we are missing very good points and important points also. In that we just miss out to appreciate various things also. Now, as I always say, that law is a normative science, so we cannot miss anything. Like in history, when you are reading history, you may miss, some of the kind of king and his brother and his sister and etc. But like in law, we cannot miss a single provision, a single word, a single colon, a single comma, right? So we cannot use, in fact, our vocabulary also. I have seen that the vocabulary of law students and legal people is not so strong in comparison to literature people. Why? Because we have to use proviso means proviso. We have to use due process means due process. We cannot apply our vocabulary over there. We have to use the same thing. Even in the judgments also, when we quote, we have to use the same thing. So very recently in the law school, we have come out with case material just to, bring back all students to their only those excerpts or the selective paragraphs of those cases. And I'm very happy that even my students, they are also thinking on the same lines. With the help of this particular platform, with this particular website, you will be able to start, all that particular tradition, that how to appreciate each and every word, each and every paragraph, and each and every point. And you are making it very easy. It's not like that you will be able to offer, the platter as it is. In fact, as a teacher, I do not prefer these kind of objectives of any kind of institution, that if you are giving everything on the platter. But with this, you will be able to encourage the generation, whosoever is reading your website, so that they will come out or they will come up with their original sources. Okay, so these platforms, they will definitely help to bring their readers to their judgments, to appreciate those judgments also, and to inculcate that particular habit to think on those things. Okay, because when we see that the judgments are very lengthy or the statute is very lengthy, we do not think, we only read. At times, if it is available in soft copy, we just go to find and then we put that word that I want this particular word, that is compensation. So what is the compensation? But we cannot go for each and everything, just by clicking on Control F, that find. Because before coming on that particular compensation provision, we need to have a background that in which circumstances we can go for, compensation or so. So in all these things, to understand in totality in all these things, definitely this website will be a great help for the law students, for the legal professionals, as also for the law teachers as well. So once again, congratulations to all the founders, as also the advisors. Very good advisors you have given to these founders. So thank you so much for the advisors. And I request all the participants of this particular meeting that kindly bless my students so that they can grow, they can progress, and one day they will prove their name in this legal fraternity as such. So thank you so much. Yes.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for showering your blessings and with your kind words. Your blessings would make sure that we would be working with it for long and we would reach at least some success. Thank you so much, ma'am.
And I would like to announce also that now this website has been inaugurated. So now you start your show now.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
God bless you. God bless you.
Ma'am, any more suggestions would you like to share with us, with the members and the founders? Like how they can work more hard for this website? Is there any scope of improvement?
Well, there is always a scope of improvement. There is nothing like perfection. It is a consistent journey. It's only that I have seen that young generation, they are having excellent ideas, but we need consistency. Even though you do not work hard, you do not put your hard labor also, but you put your consistent efforts. Okay. For
Yes,
example,
definitely.
we know the story of that, rabbit and that, khargosh and kachua. So there, that khargosh, he always, do, fast running, but then in between he stopped. But it is like, turtle who always go consistently, even though with his slow speed. So when you wanted to enter into market, it is not something that in a day or in a night you have reached at the top, but how you have crawled during these years, it will bring the goodwill for your website or your firm. Because in a day, if you are reaching, it means that all would say that it's only like, they have come and they have gone. So it's like you have come and you have gone. So that will be a very short story, even though it will be very interesting, but it will be a short story. But you need to have an inning of many years. So therefore,
Yes, ma'am.
you may be slow, but you please think twice and thrice. You always think for, your thinking process must be one step ahead. Okay, when the judgment has come from the Supreme Court, immediately you will start working on the same. Even before that, what are those cases which are pending? What are those cases which will be decided very soon? What are those bills which are pending in the parliament? So you work on those also, because once the judgment will come, there are enough who will come out with their own findings on that particular judgment. Okay, you have to move ahead. You have to move ahead. So therefore, that foresightedness is very essential. Okay, and in judgments, don't go only for names. Like if it is Ayodhya or if it is Sabrimala, then only we will go. Go for small things also, small cases also, because many a times you would find that the law has been emerged from those cases rather than big cases. In big cases, it is very difficult for the judges also to lay down a law, because there are many things, many people who are looking at their judgment. So they are also required to be, very conscious. They are conscious when they are writing for Sabrimala, when they are writing for Ayodhya. But when you will go for a, small dispute kind of thing, which is going on for years together, you will get a law from there. So you please concentrate on those things also. So it is all about what in law school we always go for, issues and the law. That what were the issues and what is the law which has been derived from that particular case. So I just want to say that you please go ahead. Okay, you may not be hard worker, but be consistent. Be here at least for 10 to 15 years. Only you will be able to have some fruits.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. So slow and steady wins the race. That should be the motto of each and every person. Ma'am, we are also having with us Dr. Arun Gupta, Associate Professor of IIMT. Ms. Avni Kaur Sethi, Assistant Professor of Vivekananda School of Law and Legal Studies. Mrs. Geeta Bharti, Advocate, Delhi High Court. And all the other team members. So I would just want to ask if any of the member or the key speaker want to say more or want to say few more words of encouragement to the team members and the founders.
I wish the
any team member. Yes, ma'am.
I wish the team all the very best. We have already deliberated on many topics at length, Swati ma'am, right? So
yes,
I just wish this is wonderful initiative. As Dean ma'am has rightly said, that Professor Rashmi Salpekar has rightly said that you just keep on working, right? Don't think about the results at this point of time. Just keep on working, and I'm sure I wish all the very best to the entire team. God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Our respected Dean ma'am and our respected Avni Kaur Sethi ma'am and our respected ma'am Mrs. Geeta Bharti. Thank you so much for your valuable suggestion, and we will try our best to execute it in our near future and to come out with a better versions of our website. Thank you so much for your valuable suggestion.
Thank you.
Now I like to ask Ms. Swati Bajaj to give the vote of thanks.
Okay, so lastly, I would like to extend my vote of thanks. Definitely, Mr. Yuvraj Seth, Mr. Vineet, and all the other team members have really done a very hard work. Their initiative is appreciable. The thing they have started is the need of the time. So I would congratulate them and I wish them very good luck for your future. And now, because without encouragement, they will never get motivation to do something. So I would like to thank the Dean ma'am, the Professor Rashmi Salpekar ma'am, Dr. Arun Gupta sir, Ms. Avni Kaur Sethi, and Mrs. Geeta Bharti and all the team members. I would really extend my warm wishes and my thankfulness to all of you for sparing a few time and from your busy schedule, of course, and to inaugurate this website. And with this, I must say that the website has been inaugurated, and now the burden or the pressure on the team members and the founders have increased. So all the very best to all of you. Keep it up, do well, and just all the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So can we leave now?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
For being here and sparing your valuable time. We wish to have you in our future webinars and sessions also. So thank you so much.
Always, always,
Thank you so
always.
much. Thank you so much. Ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye.